How to change payment method on Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can change payment method on Netflix. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you would like to change your payment method on Netflix, the easier way would be to open your browser. Go to netflix.com/account. I repeat, netflix.com/account. I'll make sure to drop a direct link in the description box below. When you go to netflix.com/account, you want to make sure that you're signed into your account. Now, actually, in my case, my membership is currently cancelled, so I will not find the option to change my payment details. But if your membership is still active, when you go to netflix.com/your account, you'll find the payment option and the billing details. So you can basically go to billing details here in order to go ahead and then change your current or existing payment method. This way you can go ahead and then basically change your payment method on Netflix. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.